February 16, Monday morning meditation, President's Day, dead presidents. Today we honor the leadership, the decision-making, and the history-shaping grit of two presidents in particular, and more broadly, the standards passed down by all who carried the weight of the Oval Office. A day off for some, a day to reflect for everyone. Not here to lecture on history and not touching politics. Instead, let's talk about two precious metals, gold and platinum. You already know the golden rule. Treat others the way you would like to be treated. Solid, fair. But it still assumes your preferences are the universal standard. Now turn up the dial on emotional intelligence and you arrive at the platinum rule. Treat others the way they would like to be treated. That's where leadership becomes real. It requires us to respect and truly celebrate diversity of thought, diversity of decision-making, diversity of risk appetite, diversity of faith, humor, and even popularity. It means we don't just deal with other people, we learn them. We ask better questions, we listen longer, we engage their concerns and fears with sincerity. Because successful cohabitation in any arena requires us to urgently reduce the space between us on what matters most. In the boardroom, the dining room, the bedroom, the war room. This President's Week, let's commit to being worthy of the phrase, of the people, by the people, for the people. Be curious, be intentional, be platinum, and be presidential as you get in the race.